We are not going to be able to afford our house anymore, so it looks like we're going to be moving. And I wish I could blame it on the economy, but I can't. I can blame that on poor decisions that I've made. So I'm going to be selling a bunch of my stuff so we can afford to move. The series that I was going to do with my son to redo his room, we aren't going to be doing that series anymore because we can't redo the room because we have to leave our house. I was looking forward to doing that with him, but sometimes life doesn't work out the way you planned. I was really, really hoping that my business would take off and that I would sell a bunch of books and then my financial problems would be solved, but it just doesn't work like that. That's okay. You know, if it's a good idea and people want it, eventually it will sell. And if it isn't, then I'll have to do something else and that'll be okay too. But I think it's a good idea. And I'm going to keep plugging at it and keep trying even while we move into a different house. And it's going to be okay.